Hey guys, my name's Allegra and I'm going to be showing you how to do the forwards figure 8. So we're going to start off by showing you how the grip works at first. So we're going to put our arms straight ahead and grip the staff just a little bit above the middle of the staff. And with your foot, I want the same foot forward, just a little bit forward so that you've got a strong stance. To start the figure 8 movement, I want you to consider this as the top of the staff and this the bottom. So with the top of the staff, I want you to lead and point it down and go diagonally across your body so that it circles around the other side of your body. Bring it up, go around, and then diagonally go downwards across the other side of your body, make a circle, and then come back. Basically, you're just repeating this movement over and over to create a figure 8 movement, like so. Next up, I'd like you to try focusing on just using more of your wrist, less of your whole arm. So instead of doing this kind of movement, I want you to be doing this. Now without the staff, I'm going to show you how it works. So the movement is very similar. It is like this, but it's a smaller figure 8. And you're just using your wrist, not your whole arm. So just like this. All right, so now with the staff, we were doing this before. Now I want you just to do with your wrist, barely using your arm, a little bit side to side, but you don't want to be going fully into it. You just want to be using your wrist. So you want to be able to practice going between a more exaggerated movement and more of a wrist-focused movement. All right, next up, I want you to try using your less dominant hand. For me, it's my left. So you do the exact same thing, but you're just gonna put your left foot forward and your left hand forward, if that's your less dominant side, and practice the same exact thing. So you lead with the top of your staff, you start it at the top, point down, go diagonally across your body, do a circle, and diagonally go across again and do a circle on the other side. And then make sure that you also practice focusing more on your wrist, making most of that movement, and then going in between. All right, so now we're going to work on reverse figure 8. It's very similar to what we were doing before with the forwards figure 8. It's just changing the direction of the spin. So before we were doing forwards, and reverse just looks like this. So to start off, before we called this the top and the bottom of the staff. So with that, before we were leading with the top of the staff, and now we want to lead with the bottom of the staff. So you want to start with your arm out straight, and the bottom of the staff, you want to lead up diagonally backwards, do a circle on the other side of your body, and lead upwards diagonally and do a circle on this side of your body. And it just continues like so in that classic figure 8 movement. If you are getting confused about the direction, a really good way to remember it is just do what you were doing before with the forwards figure 8, and then just stop and reverse the direction. And eventually it's going to stay in your mind that this is reverse, it's a little bit different. And you can play around with going forwards and then going backwards. All right, so the next thing that we're going to try is side figure 8s. So before we were doing forwards figure 8s, which look like this. And the difference that we're going to do now is we're going to face perpendicular to the staff, so on a right angle. And now we're going to go around this side and then bring it back around that side of your body and bring it forward again. So it's a movement like this. So to break it down, we're going to start off like we did with the forwards figure 8. We're going to call this the top of the staff. It's going to lead downwards across the side of our body, but this time instead of bringing it up around our body, we're going to bring it around the left side of our body, and it's going to do a rotation in front of us, and then it's going to do a rotation behind us. So it's still doing that figure 8, it just starts doing the figure 8 behind the left side of your body. So now we're going to do your less dominant hand. So for me it's the left, and I'm going to show you how that works. So using the top of your staff, you're going to do the figure 8 movement, the forwards figure 8. And then this time you're going to bring it down across your body. You move your body slightly to go with it. Going to bring it back behind in a circle motion, and then circle it around the front and keep on spinning. And you can basically do a few spins in front of you if you want, and then go into it, or you can do one spin in front and then go back. Just play around with those sort of things, and that's it on both sides. Thanks so much for joining me today. My name's Allegra Light. Happy flowing, and until next time.